Can't wait to get your hands on the new Galaxy S23 Ultra? Well, why not prepare yourself and take a look at some of the cases you can get right now. Okay, so the first three cases on offer are all silicone soft cases from Elixir. They all offer something very different though. Let's start with the perfect for every occasion, black, shall we? As we expected, the moment we got this case in our hands, we felt the quality silicone that you're always guaranteed with Elixir cases. The next thing I noticed was the slightly muted pastel black of the case that gives you a finish that will work in formal or casual settings. Second to this, we look at the precision cutouts for the lenses, and we can see that it's a perfect fit. There are rumours that the S22 Ultra cases will fit the S23 Ultra. Well, if we look here, we can see that this is not the case. No pun intended. Looking at the sides of the case, the volume rockers have a nice tactile feel and everything is perfectly blended. Finally, moving around to the front of the phone, we can see that not much has been added to the profile, and this case does nothing but complement the S23 Ultra. Now, before I head over to introduce the other colours available, if you head over to our website, you'll find a plethora of S23 Ultra cases and accessories, including official cases that you can pre-order right now. You can find the link to our website and links to any of these cases in the description below. Righto, the next two cases will have pretty identical features to the first, but the colours here offer something different. First, let's look at the softened pastel pink. The great thing Elixir have done here is not overdo it with the pink. With this offering from Elixir, you get style, you of course get a non-slip grip, and protection you would expect from a phone case like this. Quickly looking at the blue version, we again see all the custom moulded quality as before, but in a soft powder blue. These softer colours are a great choice for casual use and also add a little personality to your S23 Ultra. The final case today is again Elixir, but it's the 100% clear case. I personally love these cases. Over the last few years, clear cases have become more popular. This is probably down to phone companies releasing amazing colours with their phones. The thing I love about this clear case from Elixir is not just the style and look, but also the performance. The case is primarily designed to protect from scratches and little bumps, so it's very lightweight and thin. Looking at the side profile of this case, we can see precision all the way around. The buttons are nice and clicky, and the case does nothing but complement the S23 Ultra. I've been Mark, don't forget to subscribe as we have some rather special S23 magic coming your way.